we can directly start from enquiry screen. This is the screen where the customer who have visited the service center will approach the support person. So support person will first create inquiry, add new inquiry. This is the same form as customer inquiry. Here we will ask whether it is a B2C customer or it is a B2B customer. For B2C customer, we can enter the new customers here. Like as I showed previously, if I enter the new mobile number, it will show me form to fill the details. But if I enter the existing customer person's mobile number, the details would be pre-filled. The watch owner name, watch owner email ID, and the default contact person for this mobile number. Okay, and we also have a provision where the watch received at this watch is received. Since I have created 4 showrooms in SMP, these are the 4 showrooms in SMP right now. But since I have added service center as default location, it is showing me watch received at service center. So we can create separate roles and separate users for other showroom users. So for them we can keep the watch received at as per their location. So if they enter the inquiry, the watch received at will be set as per the location of that data entry person. Like for example, I create a user for Delhi showroom. I will keep the default showroom for that person as Delhi showroom. And if he logs into this SMT and tries to enter the inquiry, the default showroom would be shown as Delhi showroom. Okay. For currently,
Mother,
yes,
Yes, sir.
you know how to create watch received at.
Sorry.
You know how to create watch received at master.
Yeah, last time I have created, but this is the new portal, na, so I need to see once.
yeah, it's the same, ma'am. I'll just close.
Okay.
Yeah. So this I'll just show the showroom master. This is this. There's no changes in the showroom master. The showroom master is the same. In under master company, we have a master named as showroom. Here are the 4 showrooms been added. Here we just add the showroom name, contact details for that showroom, and the location for that showroom. Okay, and how do we link it to the user? I'll show it. There's a master named as user master. Here we will create the users that will be logged. They will access the SMP. Here we will add the first name, last name, and the roles, like what different types of roles will access the SMP, department, designation, other details like email ID. Email ID is mandatory since for login and for notification purpose. So here we can see that which locations needs to be mapped to the this user which we are creating right now. So for like if we are creating for Delhi showroom user, then we'll just we'll map only one location, and same would be getting here as a default location. So we'll be creating only Delhi showroom user here. Okay. So here I'm creating inquiry against this existing customer and the watch received at service center. So if I will ask the user that which type of brand watch of needs to be repaired. If the customer has bought like for example Omega brand. So when I enter Omega, the brand is populated. I'll select from the drop down and I'll ask customer what is the requirement, like what is the issue that is watch not working. So based on this, we can the person who is entering this inquiry can decide whether the watch requires a quick service or full servicing. So how do we differentiate between quick service and full service? Is if there is a minute changes like not minor changes such as just changing of battery or changing of strap, which can be done in a few minutes and can be repaired in a easily way. So we use the option of quick service, and if the watch requires complete servicing, so that we'll use the option as complete services. Okay. So if the customer has bought more than one watch, for example, I have customer has got 3 watches. Rado, for Rado person, the watch owner needs to change the strap. For Omega brand, she wants to change the battery. And this one more watch, Rolex watch, where complete servicing needs to be done with the crystal replacement. So these are the additional changes or additional parts that can be replaced. Like along with the complete servicing, the person or the owner wants to change the buckle, wants to change the glass, or as per the condition, we can suggest the customer if anything needs to be replaced. Okay, so here the customer has got three watches, and we have tagged that what are the issues, or means what needs to be done, like quick servicing or full servicing. Since why do we have these two services? Because there are two flows in SMP: quick servicing and full servicing. Okay, I'll click on submit. So here the inquiry number has been generated sequentially. And if we check the listing pane for this inquiry screen, here we show the pending inquiries, and by default for current date, because it is expected that all the inquiries received today will be converted into next transaction, that is service request. So in this transaction, in inquiry transaction, we just show the pending inquiries in this screen.